Alright guys, so in the last video we have created our RESTful API in PHP. Okay, so in this video we are going to pass this JSON format object data into our to use for Android. Okay, so copy that is one and go to here and write JSON schema to kujojo.org and enter. This is a very best site where you can parse every type of JSON object data and JSON array, everything written in JSON you can parse here is very well. Okay, so control E and paste here, and here you will give your class name, and my class name is services class. Okay, service class, and here we go. Your target language should be Java, and source type should be JSON, and annotation style should be JSON. Okay, just review, and here we go. All the data has been passed by the site. Okay, so just preview, and it has been passed by JSON Kujojo. Just copy this class and go to Android and paste in your classes folder, and that's all. So here's a name mistake in class. Okay, services class. Okay, so I got this error. Okay, I should have to shift in the main hit here. Shift and F6 and your class name class services class refactor. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so it has been passed. This is a very easy method to pass any JSON data or object or array. You can pass it very easily by using JSON schema to Kujojo. Okay, so inshallah in next video we will create our RecyclerView to set data from our server and get soon. So hope you will like this video, share, like and subscribe my channel. Inshallah I will give you more. Thank you.